Hello everyone. We got our new Cook's Essentials air fryer. Our old one lasted 2 years. Still works great. It's just the pan started losing a little of the coating off of it because it's got a non-stick coating in it. But it still worked great. You can order the baskets, but it was really not a lot more just to order another air fryer. So we went ahead and ordered a new air fryer, and we are going to cook some frozen corn dogs. Nice and hard. We are going to get these things nice and crispy, and it won't heat up my whole house. And they're going to taste a lot better than ones cooked in a microwave. Some people like their microwaves, but we barely even use ours anymore since the last 2 years ago, since we got our first air fryer. And we got this one on sale for, I think it was like $79. I think that's what it was. Pretty good deal. Alright. Just hit the power button, hit the power button again. It goes on for 15 minutes at 370 degrees, and you can drop the time down. And we're going to put it in for 7 minutes, and we'll see how these things come out after 7 minutes. We are down to 1 minute, and what is nice about these air fryers, it's not hot around it. If you're running your oven at 370 degrees, it's going to get hot. This thing has a little vent where it blows a little bit of warmth out the back, but it's not heating up my house. So when it's a hot summer day and you just want a quick little meal, nothing like a little air fryer. You know what's really cool? You could take this outside. Oh, it just shut off. And then it runs for a second to cool down the heating unit in there. But like I said, what's nice about these? They're light. That thing's maybe 7 pounds to 10 pounds probably. So if you wanted to, you could take it out in your back porch or on your deck or whatever and cook your food out there. So let's go ahead and pull those out and check them out. They're definitely going to be hot, so I'm going to pick them up with a towel. Don't want to burn my fingers. Ooh, very hot. And listen to this. Very crispy. Hear that when I squeeze it? So if you like nice crispy corn dogs, oh, these air fryers are perfect. And we'll go ahead and cut one of those open so you can see that it is fully cooked and done. There we go. Move that camera down. Alright, here we go. Hear that crunching? That fully cooked. Nice and crunchy. There you go. I cooked that for 7 minutes. You could probably go another minute if you wanted to. Make it even crunchier than that. But as you can hear, that is quite crunchy. So, hope you found this video useful. If you're on the edge about buying an air fryer, oh, they are definitely worth it. Alright, y'all. Have a good one. See y'all later.